Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we started learning about visualizations in Power BI. In this video, we will be implementing a use case example of visualization in Power BI. We will be using the different kind of charts. They are cards, line chart, donut chart, stacked column chart, pie chart, and slicer. Let's get started. We are here at the Power BI desktop. We are at the report view. Here, we will set the color of the canvas and change its transparency. Now we will go to build visual. We will select a card and choose sales in this card. Now we will set up its title in the middle. If we want to change the shape, size or color of our chart used, we will go to format visual and we will get all these options there. Now we are choosing another card here. We will drag and drop the profit column in it and we will do the same practice as we did for sales. Now we are choosing a line chart here and in the x-axis we will select month and in the y-axis we will select sum of sales. Now we will go to the format visual and we will set its title in the center. We are selecting a donut chart now. In the legend we will use products and in the values we will be using sales. In the same manner we will set its title at the center. Now we are using a stacked column chart here. In the x-axis we will choose month. In the y-axis we will choose sales. This way we will get a month-wise view of the sales. We are using a pie chart here. We will adjust its size and in the legend and values we will choose region and profit. We will go to the format visual and we will set its title from left to the center. We are using a button slicer now and in it we will use months. This way we will get a dynamic view month wise. Now we will go to the format visual and set its title from left to the center and we will adjust the shapes here. Now we will use two slicers here, one for the region and other for the product. Now we will set the transparency of all the visuals we have used here. To set the transparency, we can go to the format visual and we will get the option there. We will apply the same process for all the visuals we have used here. After doing this, we will be able to see the dynamic details from our data by using different charts and graphs. We can rename this page also. And that's it. In the next video, we will explore more functions of visualizations in Power BI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.